Hello guys, thank you for your interest on watching this video. Today I will show you how to extract the highly targeted leads from TikTok. Yes, from the TikTok, how to extract the leads for free. Hmm? Using the Google Docs. Google Docs means these are the specific search queries we made to extract the emails that have been indexed in the Google search engine. Let me show you the example. So if you use this query, one of the query, see you can able to find these emails from the TikTok. Suppose if you need specific business like in fitness, so fitness related people, so these all are fitness, weight barrel, their email ID. So these are the people that involved in the fitness. So now you have these emails, right? So yeah, you just have to copy paste this data, and there is a lot of tools available, not just this. Uh, you just have to paste that and extract email. Just search in the Google, extract emails from um, text. So you will find a lot of tools. 11 emails. That's how we can able to collect the leads. So I hope this method is very helpful for you. But if you're looking for any alternatives, if you think this lazy method it's not work for you and slow process, I will recommend you an alternative method that is using this website leadsblue.com. So these are the samples. You can see the leads. Um, the leads are very clean and perfectly managed way. See, you can see how clean the leads file was. They have leads in almost all the categories. Suppose if you search crypto, bingo, they have the leads. Mm. If you search Germany, they have the leads. If you search LinkedIn, they have the leads. Not just permitted to certain categories, that have almost leads in all the categories. See, dentist, houseowners, jeweler makers. Oh, there have the leads in very affordable prices, $40. Some are even $13. So it's not just limited to single provider. They have a vast amount of databases. So you can check their offers and the FAQs. They can able to pay with cryptocurrencies without even revealing your identity anonymously. So this is the best way, I think. I think you like this idea, and this will be really helpful for your business. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. So I think this is one of the easiest method to extract leads freely from TikTok, and this is one of the alternative way to collect high quality leads. So I will mention these docs in the video description, and I will also mention the coupon code to order in this website with a good discount price. I will mention all the details in the video description, so you can use it and get the potential sales for your business. So thanks again for your time, and I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you once.